Greetings, fellow business analysts and anyone aspiring to define future digital solutions. I'm Tom Hathaway, and together with Angela, my wife and business partner, I'm thrilled to present the expanded version of our popular course, Mastering Requirements Writing with or Without AI Writers. Now titled Business Analysis 101, Requirements Mastery with ChatGPT. With over 70 years of collective experience in business analysis, consulting, and teaching, we've refined a set of proven techniques used globally on thousands of IT projects. And in response to student feedback, we've enriched the course to include a comprehensive section on requirements elicitation. Learn how to draw out the key details that form the backbone of any successful IT project. This course covers actually traditional and AI-augmented techniques using ChatGPT for writing, eliciting, and validating business and stakeholder requirements. With ChatGPT, you can draft precise requirements and validate their relevance and scope faster than ever, reducing the risk of scope creep and ensuring alignment among stakeholders. If you're new to ChatGPT, we guide you in utilizing this tool effectively. We cover essential tools like the art of writing requirements in plain, structured language, pinpointing and rectifying vague requirements, confirming the scope of your solution, and adopting best practices to enhance comprehension. This course is a must for anyone involved in the lifecycle of IT requirements, including business analysts, domain experts, agile product owners, process managers, users, product managers, or anyone integral to shaping the future of technology. Combining informative instructor-led videos with dynamic, intellimated visual aids, the course is both educational and engaging, ensuring better understanding and retention. Don't miss out on the opportunity to evaluate your skills. Enroll in our course now or start with the free lessons. This could be the game changer you've been looking for. Why do we need requirements? Imagine this. You're a chef about to create a culinary masterpiece, but you don't know which ingredients you need or even which dishes to make. How can you whip up something delightful without direction? Requirements are like the recipe for software development. They provide a clear and detailed understanding of what the client or the user expects from the software. But requirements are different things to different people. Each group views requirements through the lens of their specific roles and responsibilities. For executives, requirements define what the project aims to achieve and how it aligns with the organization's specific goals. They express the business value of the proposed change to enable informed decisions and gauge the project's potential impact on the company's bottom line, market position, and customer satisfaction. Project and product owners need requirements to plan, monitor, and control the resource allocation, scheduling, and budgeting with realistic milestones. They also provide a framework to address changes in the product scope, minimize disruptions, and keep the project on track. Domain experts need requirements to ensure that the software aligns with business processes, industry standards, and legal regulations. Well-articulated requirements ensure that domain knowledge and expertise are correctly translated into the software solution. Developers need requirements to create a product that meets the user's needs and satisfies their appetite for functionality. In short, requirements are like a GPS for developers, guiding them on their journey to create a successful software product. Testers need requirements as a benchmark against which they evaluate the software to identify defects to ensure that the software meets quality standards and to validate that it fulfills the intended purpose. Now, in this innovative Udemy class, we're going to explore the dynamic world of business analysis where the primary product is really requirements, but now augmented with the power of generative AI and the practical approach of business analysis by example, or BABE, as we call it. As technology rapidly evolves, the role of the business analyst or requirements engineer becomes ever more crucial. This course equips you with cutting-edge skills to thrive in this exciting landscape. We introduced ChatGPT, a transformative generative AI tool as your assistant in the business analysis process. ChatGPT revolutionizes how requirements are elicited, documented, and validated, bringing efficiency and precision to new heights. Throughout the course, you'll learn how to effectively integrate ChatGPT in the various stages of business analysis. Business analysis by example, BABE, is our guiding methodology. This approach focuses on learning through real-life scenarios and examples, making complex concepts tangible and relatable. Now, with BABE, you'll see the principles of business analysis come to life, providing a deeper understanding and practical know-how. This course covers 3 integral areas: requirements writing, enhanced by AI. Learn to leverage ChatGPT for drafting clear, concise, and precise requirements. This AI-driven process ensures that all stakeholders share a comprehensive understanding of project objectives. Requirements elicitation with AI assistance. Discover how to use ChatGPT in extracting nuanced requirements from diverse sources, engaging stakeholders, and converting conversations into actionable insights. AI-aided requirements validation. Utilize ChatGPT to validate requirements, ensuring that they accurately reflect stakeholder needs and are feasible. We'll explore advanced techniques for thorough validation, supported by AI insights. By mastering these AI-enhanced skills, you're not just equipped to handle current business challenges, but also positioned at the forefront of future technological advancements. This course isn't just about theoretical learning. It's an interactive experience where AI meets practical business analysis. Come along with me on this journey to refine your role as a business analyst. Master the integration of AI in business analysis with BABE and become an invaluable asset in bridging business needs with technological solutions. In the previous lesson, we discovered how ChatGPT can interpret a data flow diagram, showcasing its ability to read and describe complex visual information. In this lesson, we'll uncover more of its capabilities. ChatGPT excels in summarizing documents, extracting requirements, gaining domain knowledge, and understanding business processes. By simplifying complex tasks, ChatGPT boosts efficiency, minimizes the risk of human error, and enables opportunities for more strategic tasks. Now, that leads to better informed decisions, enhancing the overall effectiveness of business operations. So let's dive head on into a demonstration. I've chosen a 1,000-word document. Uploading it to ChatGPT is simple and allows for a direct and effective analysis. This process is ideal for quickly understanding complex documents like operational manuals, procedures, project documentation, business policies. This direct interaction positions ChatGPT as a formidable tool in our analytical toolkit. Remember, though, even though we're using a small document today, ChatGPT's applications extend to much larger texts. As of April 2023, ChatGPT could process about 24,000 words of combined prompt and response in a single session. Meanwhile, Claude 2, which is another generative AI system, could handle up to 150,000 words. That represents 500 pages as of November 2023. This capacity is invaluable in professional settings for quickly summarizing large volumes of information. For us as business analysts, the capacity to quickly process and summarize large volumes of information is invaluable. ChatGPT significantly lightens the workload, enabling us to concentrate on higher level analysis and decision-making. Now, let's see this in action. My prompt defines the role as usual. The goal is to analyze the document to gain background information. I have a customer survey results report as my source, and I'm asking ChatGPT to extract key insights about customer preferences, needs, and levels of satisfaction. Next, to upload the document, I simply click on the paperclip and select the file, obviously. Pretty straightforward, I'd say. In the current version, ChatGPT lets you know that it's reading and possibly even analyzing the document, depending on how long it takes. And then it generates its response. So ChatGPT recognizes my document as a comprehensive analysis of customer feedback on the Money Customer app and extracts the following insights. From the survey, demographics and methodology section, it pulls out the sector distribution percentages. It apparently considers the IT services and other varied sector participation of 25% to be irrelevant. I don't really agree, but I guess that's a conscience call. Next, it grabbed the role percentages for financial analysts, CFOs, and senior financial executives, accountants, and others, which it includes this time, although it's only 10%. Interesting. It also mentions the even split in the respondent pool across all sizes of businesses. In the overall satisfaction category, it mentions the high rate of 82%, which I admit is pretty impressive. It also accurately calculated that 40 users from a total of 500 users is 8%. That's actually pretty unusual because ChatGPT and other Gen AI tools are not known for their mathematical prowess. It also pulled in the 3 core areas of dissatisfaction, namely integration, customization, and pricing structure. At this point, I'll leave the evaluation of the remaining results up to you to analyze on your own. I would appreciate any feedback about anything you think ChatGPT did particularly well or particularly poorly. So for that, I'm also including a PDF file of the customer survey results report in the resource section of this lesson.